So I think Boxycharm has been watching my videos. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm PR box. Just the one. So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep it watching. So I think Boxycharm has been watching my videos because typically for quite some time now I have been getting Boxycharm, Boxypremium, and Boxy Luxe and PR. And for the first time in a very long time, I'm only getting Boxycharm Base box, which honest to God, I'm truly okay with. But I'm kind of laughing going, ooh, I bet you they're watching my stuff. Because if you guys haven't seen, or if you guys are new here, I have been on Boxycharm's PR list since January 2020. And for the longest time, I was only getting the base box. But then as of like, I think 2021, they started giving me the premium and luxe box on top of that. But I have always been very honest because no matter what, if I'm on someone's PR list or not, I'm still a consumer first. So I'm still going to look at this from a consumer's perspective, not someone that's just getting it in PR. So I have been very honest and pretty much been saying that the boxes have not been that great. They've definitely gone downhill since they've merged with Ipsy, especially since they started raising their prices. They've been promising things that we're just not seeing in these boxes, which is really disappointing, which is why I canceled my own personal subscription, and I've had them since 2017, and I had to let them go because I was tired of paying for boxes that I generally didn't get a use out of any of the items. So this is the first time in a long time we've only gotten the base box. Like I said, I'm actually okay with that because it's just, I don't know, I'm just okay with it. So if you guys don't know, this box does retail for $27. You do get 5 full-size items in here with a retail value of like $120 plus. And I will say, I have been saying for quite some time that their base box has been better than premium and luxe for the most part, in my personal opinion. So I'm actually kind of excited I just got this one. The only disappointing thing is that I may not have as many items to give for you guys in No Waste Wednesday, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and dive on in here. Alrighty, so this month is called Boxy Spring Vival. And the first thing I see is something from Beauty Bakery, and this is Sour Ya Doing. This is an eyeshadow palette. And this right here, it says, these shadows will make your eyes squint. Does this have a lemon smell? Shut the fuck up. I think it does. Okay, so it says, these shades will make your eyes squint and then light up in surprise. Rich and bold, yet soft for those who want to be subtle. Sour Ya Doing is perfect for spring looks, date nights, and maybe even a holiday mixer. Retails for $38. This is a new launch. Okay. I think this kind of smells like lemon. Sorry, I had to. No. That does not smell like lemon. That's stinky. What's... Oh my God, sorry. Oh my God, sorry. Why am I apologizing? The box kind of does. Okay, so these are the shadows right here. They're actually pretty. Like, I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty, but they really give me a fall vibe more than a spring vibe. Personally, this screams fall to me, but it definitely is a really beautiful eyeshadow palette. This is definitely up my alley. Get it? Up my alley. But this is like definitely something I would be really interested in trying out. It's a really beautiful eyeshadow palette, and like I said, it just reminds me so much of fall. That's nice. Okay. Okay, Boxy. I see what we're doing here. All right, so the very next thing we have is something from Christoph Robin. I'm sorry. This is Broom Volume. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. It's an instant volumizing leave-in mist with rose water. It's uplifted roots and for fuller lengths. So it says that this mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy-to-style hold using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baobab leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater. This mist helps enhance hair texture and provide a lift from the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. Retails for $39. I have never heard of this brand before. I actually don't have thin or fine hair. I have actually pretty thick hair, so I'm definitely not going to get a use out of this, so I'm going to pass it on. Okay, next we get the Perfect Duel Quick Beat versus Mini Base. So, this is from Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. This is the Perfect Dual Foundation Travel Set. A flawless finish that lasts all day begins with the right tools. The Perfect Dual by Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics is the Essential Foundation Troll Travel Set. Featuring Quick Beat, a laxative-free foam beauty sponge with unique sharp tip and flat edge, and a mini base, an exclusive travel-size paddle-shaped symmetric brush with a shorter handle for an easier application. This retails for $30. I have never heard of this brand before. So there is the brush, sponge shape that no one else has ever done, ever. This is a first of its kind, guys. First and first exclusive. But here are the two sets right here. Alrighty. I guess that's cool. I guess. Okay, so next we have something from Georgette Klinger. This is a vitamin C mask. It says, revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in minutes with a powerful infusion of vitamin C to protect skin and prevent free radical damage while boosting collagen production. This retails for $36. I have never heard of this brand ever. This is for all skin types, so I guess that's cool. And at least it's not, shit. At least, at least it's not an eye cream. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yes! What's wrong with you? Just sorry.
Clearly, this is what I think of the box. I just threw everything on the ground. Hold up. Give me a minute. I gotta compose myself.
A few moments later.
Okay, so back in business. The last thing that we have is from something called Lucky Chic. God, didn't we just get this like an Ipsy? I swear to God we did. Okay. This is Lucky Chic Liquid Eyeshadow. This gorgeous metallic pink shade creates a beautiful tone while radiating a subtle shimmery glow. It's lightweight, long-lasting, and has the right amount of shine and luster. This is this is brand new to Boxy, retails for $22. I swear to God, I had just received this like not too long ago. It is really pretty. I'll definitely give it that. It actually really is pretty. Okay, cool. All right, so let me go ahead and add up the value of this box, guys. Oh, I gotta be serious. I'm doing a review. Okay, so this box retails for $165, and I will say the only thing that I'm genuinely excited about is the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette. They put 2 makeup items in here, a skincare, a hair product, and a foundation tool thing. So there definitely is a variety that's in this box, but there's only one brand that I've ever heard of. I have never heard of any of those other brands. So I'm just going to say this because I just don't care. I'm very grateful I did not pay for this box. Very, very grateful. Just because as a consumer, I'm only excited about the eyeshadow palette. Everything else, I'm like, I've never heard of you. And I don't care to have you. I want what Boxycharm used to have, which was like Natasha Denona in here. There was Huda Beauty products. There was Charlotte Tilbury. Like they had so many. Tarte used to be in here. They had so many different amazing brands that used to be in these boxes. And I don't know what happened. I don't know. And it's just really sad because I used to love Boxycharm so, so much. And I just really feel like after Joe left the company, it really has gone downhill. And while I'm super appreciative that I get to do these videos for you guys, I'm always going to be real and honest because I pride myself on my honesty more than anything else. And as a paying consumer, I would not be happy with this box. I really do like the eyeshadow palette, but pretty much everything else is going to end up into my No Waste Wednesday. That way I can get back to you guys. But yeah, I'm sorry. This is not a more woo positive review, but I'm being honest. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of these boxes. If you guys still even get Boxycharm, I'm sorry I can't tell you what's in the Boxypremium because I have no idea. They kind of cut me off, and I'm pretty sure they're going to cut me off very soon. And that's okay because at the end of the day, it's not about making them happy. It's about me being honest and telling you guys how it really is. So yeah, I mean, I'm extremely grateful to Boxycharm, but I would definitely say I don't really care for this box. I'm glad I didn't pay for it. So Let me know what you guys think of this down below and what you guys got or if you guys canceled. But that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And of course, as always, a huge thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, just thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! That I just never got anything out of. Like, nothing. I'm just tired of paying for boxes that I never got any use out of. So I just decided, so I never got anything. I was tired of paying for boxes that I never got any. I was tired of paying for boxes that I didn't get. I was tired of paying for boxes that I. Okay, so this says that this mist makes thin, fine, flat hair feel thicker, and this mist makes, oh my God, I can read, I promise. And like I said, I'm generally really okay. And mostly, right? No. I will, okay, oh my God.